You probably have had glimpses of flow in your life. Flow is that state where there is neither thinking nor doing. Before going into flow, I should explain the correlation between doing and thinking. All doings are born out of thinking. To make this more clear, I'll give you an example. Okay, try to move into the next room from your room without first setting the thought of you wanting to go to the next room. You see, you can't do this. The very thought of going into the next room has already entered into your head by this video. Basically, what I am saying is, most of your actions happen only after thinking. Thinking comes first. Not that there aren't cases where actions happen spontaneously. It's just that in general, most of your actions happen only after you're thinking. What is flow? Flow can be best explained by giving the example of you learning to drive. At first, you consciously think your way into changing gears. You think and steer, you think and drive to not hit other vehicles. In the initial stages of driving, you think, stop and act. Now forward yourself to years later where now you have mastered the art of driving. The question now is, would you still think your way into driving, or does the actions required for driving comes out of you spontaneously, when you have mastered the art? The answer is, the actions happen out of spontaneity. This spontaneous action, this effortless action where there is neither thinking nor doing, is called flow. What do I mean by saying there is no action in flow? See, when you have mastered the art of driving, the action required for driving will happen spontaneously in a very natural, effortless way. This effortless way of action is what I mean by no action. Acting without acting is what I mean by no action. How did you attain this flow in driving? Flow is attained by meditating upon a thing. What is meditation? Meditation is a full focusing on your doing, so when you focused more and practiced driving constantly, you have attained the flow in driving. But what to take from this is that driving is not the only area where you can attain flow. Flow is available to be attained in all aspects of your life. The key point to note is, when you attain flow in an area, you have mastered that area. Flow is mastery.